Lillian Jean Bean Bean. Hey guys, welcome back to Lillian and Jean Bean. Okay, I am so excited. There's a new itty bitty tea party surprise and we're gonna open it today. There's over 25 surprises. Let's open it. We got it open. So I'm pretty sure you just pop that. I'm going to set that over here. And, oh my goodness, look at all what inside. Probably can't see it. There's a lot of things. What it looks like. There's lots of things in here. There's even something on the side. Okay, so this tea party has lots of things. And the kitty even has her own room. Look at how cute it is. Meow. Hi. I'm gonna sit in my room. Okay, now that she's sitting, I'm gonna sit in my room. And she even has her own room. It's full of jewelry, as you can see. So she's a jewelry girl. And my name is Ginger. Yep, you heard it. Her name is Ginger. And let's open the tea bags. So if you don't know, there are tea bags right here. And we're gonna start with the cat's tea bag. And now we're gonna pour it into the cup. Oh, it's really coming out. Let's dip it in. Okay. Oh, that did it quickly. My hands are really okay. We're going to pick the items out. Oh my goodness, it's so goofy. So now that we got it all out, gonna just get it rinsed up. We have an outfit. It's adorable, and we're gonna set it aside. Oh, and it has like a bow tie, some black buttons, and a little belt, and a sparkly black dress. Next, we got a little shoes. Oh, and they're actually little sandals. Look at how cute they are. Dip, 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 dip. And we got a cute shoe. Walk, walk, walk. Gonna pull the tea bag and let's dip it in. Ready? They do it really quickly. You like pull it out. Okay. We got our cute little outfit. Look at how adorable it is. It's like so fancy. See? We're gonna grab this plate. We're gonna put it next to Kitty's and we're gonna clap it on. Oh my goodness, she has a cute little back dress. It goes in the back like a train. And like I'm wearing now. Here's my train. The rest of it's on this chair. She also comes with a tiny little necklace. So tiny you can barely even see it. She comes with cool shoes. Now she's walking over here. Fine. She has another cool shoe. You're walking around, right? Let's open them. First, I'm going to be starting with the blue one. My least favorite color. We're going to pop it in. Oh, it's like dissolving so quickly. Oh my goodness. Can't feel anything. Oh, I feel something. Oh, I feel two things. It's for Kitty. It's a yarn and a fish. Oh, so cute. Let's put it by Kitty. Oh, got it. I got it. So sparkly. Are sugar cubes even real things? Okay, dump it. Water's so sparkly. Oh. Okay, it's all dissolving. Then mix it around. I feel something. It's probably an earring. There we go. Okay, that one she has to add. Oh, another earring. It's kind of bent. Okay. Want some sparkly tea? We're gonna get them dressed, but first, we're gonna open the blind bags. Okay. Have you ever wondered why they call blind bags? Because you can't see what's inside of them. So this is definitely for her. Okay. Oh, she's got sunglasses. Sunglasses. Probably for reading. We're gonna put that right here. Next, got it open. Oh, meow. Okay, we got some glasses, cat eye glasses. We got cat ear headbands. A headband. That's it. And oh my goodness, we have so many cute things. There's plates and cupcake things. It's so cute. Here's Junior all fancified. Here's Chai Chai the kitty girl. Wow, that was a lot of surprises. I had so much fun. Bye guys, thanks for watching.